kwa hiyo tunaendelea. Aha. Rero nkuko mwamaze kubibona mwabonye 1K, mwabonye King n'abantu bakaze cyane bafite philosophy zirenze sana, n'abantu batekereza ibyahise, bagatekereza ibiriho none, bagatekereza n'ibizaza. Ibintu utapfa kubona muri generation zacu turimo za none, ni ibintu twumva n'abantu bakomeye cyane bagiye babaho ibitabo twagiye dusoma bya baratekereza bakandika nabo bakatubwira ibintu uko babibona n'ukuntu babyumva, kandi ni ibintu biremereye, ni philosophy nini cyane. Nkuko mwagiye mubabona babisubiza bakora ibitekerezo byabo, urabitekerezo ukavuga ati ngiye nshobora kuba ntari gutekereza. Alright, muri aka kanya rero nta kindi kintu kiba gikurikiyeho ni ukubahuza noneho 1K na King bakicara noneho bakabishyira mu bikorwa, noneho baka rhyming nkuko bajya bivuga mu mvugo y'ubusizi, baka rhyming, donc imirongo ikoze neza y'ubwenge, noneho bakadushyira muri rhyme, tukabyumva mu matwi ukuntu biri kugenda bimeze neza. Reka rero tubakanya tubakurikire. Aha, rero King twaje kubaha ikaze mu kiganiro, 1K twaje kubaha ikaze mu kiganiro. Aka kanya rero nakanya gato cyane tuba dufata tukaganira no turi kumwe. Alright, King rero tuguha chance ukabaza 1K ibibazo byose umva wifuza ariko igihe ukakigendana nacyo neza. Rero Mike ni yawe ukamubaza icyo cyose kuri ku mutima, uburyo bikora, uburyo nta protocol zirimo, ni freestyle.
Okay. All right. First of all, respect. Yeah. So, Nirangiza school, I was out here confused. Very many questions. What's happening? And then I learned about spoken word. I was like, let me go check out these guys. I also write poetry. And then it was here up. And then you performed, and then you did your piece. That day, Najee Murugo with one thing in my heart. I was like, I'm not crazy after all.
You're not the only one.
Yeah, I was like, no, I'm not the only one. Yeah. So that was really
nice.
Big for me. Thank you so much for being there at that particular time.
No, thank you for coming.
Yeah, and then I started writing too. I hit the stage, and now it's growing. Yeah, but the most curious thing I have, uravugango, the main purpose of poetry is to unlearn everything school taught you.
Okay, ntabwo navuga yuko purpose ya poetry ariyo, but biramfasha muri process. No kuvuga ibintu nje nize mu mashuri cyane nize mu Gifaransa ntazi, sibyo? Niga ibintu nakoresha ubu ngubu, niga ibintu ntazi impamvu, afite ntabwo nabyize, nafashe mu mutwe gusa, urumva? So the whole point ya poetry kuri njye ukwibaza, tuvuge ubu ngubu nkoresha science muri poetry yanjye. Nshobora kugira ama references, like even when I'm talking about love, for example, nshobora kuvuga ati you and I were like a drop of water, 1 + 1 = 1. You see? So ariko ntabwo ari ibintu nari kuvuga ndi mu ishuri kiragiye ko ntabwo nabyumvaga. Now I understand, kumfata umwanya wanjye nkuvuga ni ese ibintu mvuga ni ukuri kuri njyewe? Does it make sense? Yes, it does. And the poetry for me is more about searching inside me. Mu mutwe wanjye harimo iki? You see, kurusha ukuntu kuvuga ngo ibyo mumbwira nibyo nakira,
Exactly. Because nubundi nanje, it was one of my biggest challenges in school, or as growing up as a whole. I had to do things nkibaza kuki ndi kubikora uko nyine akaba ari byo nibazo. That's why I watched actually a video where you said that line, and it really built me too. So the other thing though, we are in a very, I don't know how I can call it, but it's a very messy process to getting what we want and to getting the attention. It's also another fight. So we're in a bubble of confusion. I know where to go, but here we are still doing this thing.
Yeah. So
what is your biggest challenge or your biggest fear?
Nukuvuga, so every time the challenge, it's also an opportunity to create something.
Yeah.
Sibyo? Yeah, I looked around and I was like, the things that I want to do, nobody's doing it. Sibyo? And also I don't see anybody who I can go like, yo, let's do this. Those brains are not there yet, you know? So I'm like, okay, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna do it myself. And those who wanna ride with me, they will find me in the process. You get it? So that's what I did. I got crazy, as you say, but that's what we are, artists, you know? Yeah. I mean, like Kanye said, tell me one genius that's not named crazy. So it's like that. So yeah, you just have to do what you feel, what you believe in, and an artist doesn't ask for an audience. Bro, any space is a stage, you know? So
your mind in your bomber left actually.
That's it. That's it. Audience, let's do this. That's it. That's it. The problem is, Nuko, I think maybe if I understand the question, Nuko, we want to enter in a format that already existed, but there's so many other formats to create. Like right now, I mean, I'm moving towards not even having. So we have problem spaces, but I'm like, we don't have any problem space. Everything that I did was to show you the possibilities of how this is a space, this library here. You can turn into a show anytime. So now, let's forget about this physical space now. If I have a concert in my room, digital space, and the entire world is watching live, I have more people than if I go Muri Serena. You know what I mean? And people are very interested. They know they want to see this. They are not forced, and it's cheap for them, and everybody get it. Okay. You know, so there's so many formats to create.
So there's no excuse to getting stuck.
If you get stuck, it's because you want to get stuck.
All right.
Yeah, I mean, you just feel comfortable being stuck.
No, there was none, but as from someone I looked up to doing this, this is what I wanted to make sure we're on the same page.
No, I mean, like... No. So, no, the thing is, you are a forward thinker already, so whoever it is in this planet will find you where you are. Yeah. Where you don't find them, you know, like, they will find you. That's who you are.
Do your things.
They will find you.
Do your things, man.
Okay, that's the last question, actually.
Yeah. All right. Lero akakanya just mutekereze kuri ya nuza abi out. Hanyuma muhite mubikora nyine mu.
It's a freestyle session.
The whispering voice resonates. Let it echo inside. Stay quiet. Don't tell the secret. But no more can I keep my mouth silent. When results are getting violent and it grows bigger, cast the shadow upon the past. If you think I haven't been in the dark, so where do you think I got these scars?
Me, I'm alone bee in a colony. I call Queen Bee by bees, busy getting my own royal jelly. Jealous friends calling me crazy. But me, I'm crazed by the selfishness in this world. Wordsmith, I forge universes with my words.
My tongue enrolls every time I try to say something. She looks at me in the eyes and goes, just keep it in. They don't want it. No one wants to hear that, but why doesn't no one want to hear anything that they have not heard?
That's why I aim at everything they think I am. By the time they're done defining me, it's already a new me. I invite them to judge me. I wish I could be the mirror, but bet they choose the selfie. One thing they don't know is self-wealth is self-given or else it's worthless. I pick what's healthy. My spirit's so wealthy, all the road child money cannot buy me.
I hope I'm blessed the day I come to face you, but days are not the same knowing that it's me at stake. So I hope you understand I try to follow your commands, and I guess things change, they will never be the same. That's why I moved on, I'm past the horizon, and I hope you know I'm not a spoiled kid, I'm just a curious one. And I hope you forgive me for all the things you consider wrong that I've done. Meanwhile I preach peace, see you in heaven, amen.
Amen.
Amen. Turashimira abantu cyane gufata umwanya wiwe akawuduha akabana natwe muri kino kiganiro tukabana nawe ni ibintu by'agaciro cyane duha duha ebana natwe duha agaciro kandi dushima. Hanyuma turashimira King Lion King cyangwa se Kivumbi cyangwa se Cyacyana nawe ku mwanya wiwe aba yafashe akemera guca bugufi. Ni ikintu gikomeye cyane ku bantu bagizamuka kugira ngo donc bigire ku bandi bisaba guca bugufi ukabigiraho. King aravuga ati akimubona yaravuze ati narizi ko ari nyenye ufite ibisazi ariko amubonye asubizwamo intege asubizwamo imbaraga, so yamwigiyeho byinshi kandi aracyanamwigiraho. Rero biba byiza iyo uciye bugufi ukemera kwigira ku wundi muntu iyo uri umwana ukizamuka. Rero turashishikariza abana mu gifite impano aho ngaho hanze aho ngaho ntukazajye wicara wumve ngo ewana ngo ngenda ashoboye ndabyimye byatari ndi umuntu wakunguye ndi umuntu kazi ndi umuntu ukomeye wapi, ahubwo menya ngo umuntu wigiraho byagenze gute, nize struggle nize challenges nizo bavuga challenge bagiye bahura muri cyangwa se ibibazo bagiye bahura nabyo byose bikabageza bikabashapinga kugera ku rwego bagezeho. So ni igikorwa cyiza turashimira King guca bugufi cyane, namwe tubashishikariza kuzajya muca bugufi. Yes, hanyuma turashimira audience, ndashimira na equipe technique. Na protocol zirimo ni freestyle.
Okay. All right. First of all, respect. Respect.
Yeah.